Howdy and welcome to BitPay FAQ. Today we're going to learn how to pay a BitPay invoice with a payment protocol compatible Bitcoin wallet. The payment protocol is a technology standard that makes blockchain payments faster, safer, and less prone to error. The first thing you need to do is get a wallet that supports payment protocol. I'm using the BitPay wallet. You can find a list of wallets that will work in the links below. You'll also need a digital currency amount that you can use to pay a BitPay invoice. For our example, we're purchasing an Etsy gift card through giftoff.com. And to pay, you can either scan the QR code or click Open in Wallet. You can also go over here to copy and copy the payment protocol URL from the BitPay invoice and paste it into your wallet sending field. After you've read over the warning here, click I understand the risk and just click this address. When it says copied, it's been copied. Go over to your wallet. Go down here and click send. And paste the payment protocol URL into the field. Review the miner fee. Your payment protocol compatible wallet will use the information from the invoice to automatically fill in the correct receiving Bitcoin address and the correct sending amount in your wallet. Now we're going to press click to pay, and we're going to click confirm. And now you see that your wallet has immediately broadcast the payment to the invoice, and your payment is complete. And it's as simple as that. Check out our other videos to learn more about our products and services. And if this video helped you, be sure to give it a like. You can follow us on Twitter or like us on Facebook. Also, if you can't find a video that helps you, please visit help.bitpay.com. Thanks for watching.